Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the opening precisely, width, height, and the center line, so the curtain covers the whole gap. Once measured, clean the door frame thoroughly with alcohol. Adhesive fails on dust, so this matters. Next, lay the mesh flat to check the magnetic strip placement and decide which side will overlap for entry. Now position the top edge against the frame and hold it. Make small marks so you mount straight, because a crooked start makes alignment much harder later. You mount the top adhesive strip first, pressing in short sections so it bonds fully. Press for 10-15 seconds every 5-10 cm. Once the top is secure, unfold the mesh and align the center line with your marks. Gently bring the magnetic edges together so they meet evenly from top to bottom, ensuring a consistent seal. Then work the sides. Use the supplied pins or small tacks to keep tension. If the mesh is long, trim only the bottom so the magnets remain aligned. You finish by testing repeatedly. Walk through at different speeds to ensure the magnets snap closed reliably. If the curtain swings or hangs on the floor, hem slightly so it clears by a few millimeters. This keeps the closure consistent. Make small adjustments to side tension and press the adhesive edges again for full contact. Troubleshooting tip: if the seam gaps, reposition the top strip a few millimeters toward the gap and add a few small tacks or extra adhesive. That fixes most misalignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.